The Staresso 3 Mirage Plus portable espresso maker presents an intriguing solution for coffee enthusiasts who seek their caffeine fix on the move. This review delves into its practical aspects, real-life performance, and overall user-friendliness. The Staresso 3 Mirage Plus, the 2023 version, 4th generation, is a manual hand-pump coffee maker primarily designed for crafting espresso. Its innovative design employs a manual pump that pressurizes the hot water chamber before it's released into the coffee grounds within the filter basket. This unique system features a small diameter piston in a compact cylinder, ensuring manageable force requirements as pressure increases. Achieving the desired high pressure involves around 30 to 40 strokes, facilitated by a rhythm of 1 to 2 seconds per stroke. The ingenious valve system of the Staresso 3 Mirage Plus delays the release of pressurized water to the coffee grounds until optimal downstream pressure is reached. This approach maintains pressure through valve operation, providing flexibility in grind fineness, although a fine grind is recommended for ideal outcomes. Constructed with BPA-free durable plastic and a rubbery external body, the Staresso 3 Mirage Plus also boasts a stainless steel coffee filter and integrated coffee cup, enhancing both longevity and aesthetic. With dimensions of 11 by 9 by 27 centimeters, it offers a compact size that balances portability and practicality. The coffee dispenser accommodates 18 to 22 grams, and pressure ranges between 15 to 20 bars. The spoon's capacity is about 8 grams. The vertical pump press mechanism makes the Staresso 3 Mirage Plus user-friendly, requiring minimal strength. In less than a minute of pumping, you can prepare a coffee shot. Remarkably, it produces an authentic espresso-like experience without electricity, achieving pressure levels akin to traditional machines. About 10 pumps deliver the entire hot water, up to 180 milliliters, through the coffee grounds into an 80 milliliters cup. The coffee dispenser holds up to 22 grams. Uniform espresso shots with a decent crema layer are attainable. Cleaning is easy with straightforward disassembly and reassembly. However, the complexity of disassembly with multiple components might be a drawback. Portability is a highlight, featuring a foldable, adjustable stand reminiscent of a space shuttle. Weighing 716 grams with stand and cup, it's 480 grams without the stand. The stand, primarily plastic, has rubber feet and secure spring-loaded latches. The integrated coffee cup is aluminum with a rubberized exterior, though the rubber attracts dirt. The Staresso 3 Mirage Plus disassembles into multiple parts, facilitating cleaning and part replacement. The Staresso Discovery manual coffee bean grinder is also available as an add-on, resembling a salt-pepper grinder. The Discovery grinder, weighing 750 grams and measuring 15 centimeters tall by 5 centimeters deep by 5 centimeters in diameter, is constructed of solid aluminum and incorporates a wooden knob. The burr grinder mechanism and coffee basket filter are stainless steel. It accommodates 20 grams of coffee grounds, covered by up to 2 years of warranty. In conclusion, the Staresso 3 Mirage Plus portable espresso maker offers coffee aficionados practicality and authentic espresso experiences. Its real-life performance, user-friendliness, and innovative features make it a desirable companion. While it lacks Nespresso pod support, its compatibility with ground coffee and espresso quality set it apart. The compact design and robust materials position the Staresso 3 Mirage Plus as a reliable coffee-making companion for various scenarios. Enjoy the rest of the unboxing and don't forget to like and subscribe.